we will solve this one. Simplifying 1 over the quantity of 4x squared y, the quantity raised to the power of negative 2. Okay, so simplify natin. So, dito na sa baba, equals 1 over the quantity of 4x squared y raised to the power of negative 2 equals 1 over, okay, since negative exponent yan, this is negative 2, so this is 1 over the quantity of 4x squared y raised to the power of 2, then equals, kunin natin yung reciprocal, so magiging 4x squared y raised to the power of 2, then simplify natin yan. So, squared yan, di ba? So, magiging 4x squared y. Multiply natin by itself. 4x squared y. So, multiply natin. 4 times 4, 16. Then, x to the 4th power, y squared. Okay, sa choices, letter D is the correct answer.